Hello, I'm Jonathan, the Everyday Fitness Guru. As a nation, we're dealing with extraordinary circumstances that have put limitations on our lives. We don't always have the control over the changes that happen to us and our way of living, but we do have control over the way we respond to them. When things change, we must remain calm, motivated, self-disciplined, connected to our friends and loved ones, physically healthy and positive in our attitudes. For those of you who know me, I've been a certified personal trainer and fitness coach for close to 30 years. I wasn't always fit, and I'm not genetically gifted. I'm in the trenches. Like you, I work hard to stay proactive and determined, and it isn't always easy. Life sometimes gets in the way of life. The benefits of being healthy and fit are important to me, but it wouldn't make sense to compromise the former as I try to obtain the latter. I'm older and not able to take a physical pounding like I used to. With my old workout, I used to try and see how much my body could take. Now I realize that a personalized, minimum, effective dose is way better for me, especially when time and other resources are limited. This realization led me to adopt an approach to exercise that is referred to as high-intensity resistance exercise. You may have heard about it, or know it already as super slow exercise or slow motion weight training. Within the last decade, exercise science has made advancements, and evidence-based exercise programming has become more precise. Studies at McMaster's University in Canada have concluded two important facts. First, only minutes of exercise, not hours, each week is enough to obtain the fitness results that you want. Your body responds to the demand you put on it, and the greater demand, or what we call intensity, the greater the benefits you'll achieve. Activity and exercise are not the same. As the demand of the work you're doing goes up, the amount of time that you can actually maintain that work is going to go down. This is what differentiates demanding activity from true exercise. If you can maintain the activity you're doing for an hour, you probably aren't working hard enough. A good way of looking at this would be comparing jogging or walking quickly to sprinting. I can walk or jog for hours, but sprinting is much more demanding. You couldn't enter a marathon and attempt to sprint it. The second discovery made concluded that once you do enough exercise to stimulate your body to be stronger, additional work wasn't necessary. You don't get better results from doing more. The additional pounding may actually be detrimental to your overall health. Imagine, boiling water boils at 100 degrees, but at 105 it isn't boiling any greater. More isn't always better. Clients came to me in a state of overtraining. Here at Everyday Fitness Guru, I work to deliver a sophisticated and personalized approach to getting fit that isn't like other approaches on the market. If you're older, have limited time, have limited resources, and aren't interested in living at the gym, then this approach may be for you. Have any questions? Contact me at everydayfitnessguru@gmail.com or on Instagram at everydayfitnessguru for a free personal consultation via video chat or one-on-one phone call, and let's get you started on a smarter, safer, and more personalized fitness program. You can also follow me on YouTube, and please remember to like my videos and post comments. I'll answer your questions, and we'll continue to post content to help you get the best direction to help you get in shape. Thank you. I'm Jonathan, the Everyday Fitness Guru.